Next, we discuss discrete distributions. Let x be a discrete random variable whose spectrum contains this point xi, where I is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, dot dot dot. Let x be a discrete random variable whose spectrum contains this point xi, where I equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, dot dot dot. With, suppose let x minus 2 less than x minus 1 less than x0 less than x2 less than less than x1 less than x2 less than x3, dot dot dot. Let f of I, small f of I equal to probability of capital X equal to xi, or I equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, dot dot dot. This x, where x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 3, x1, sorry, x minus 2, x minus 1, x0, x1, x2. Small of fi equal to, let small of fi equal to probability of capital X equal to xi, where I is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, dot dot dot. Then this fi, this small fi is called probability mass functions or probability mass. Small of fi small of fi small fi is called probability mass functions or at xi. It is also denoted by PMF. Probability mass functions means PMF. Small fi is called PMF at small xi. Since this is probability, so small of fi greater than equal to 0. This is the probability, so small of fi greater than equal to 0. Also, summation of fi equal to 1. This is the result. This is the popular result. Sum of fi equal to 1. Okay. f of I greater than equal to 0 এবং summation of fi equal to 1. This is the result. Next, determination of distribution formula. Determination of distribution formula. When probability mass function are known, we find distribution, probability distribution when PMF are known. Let x be the discrete random variable whose spectrum contains this point x of I, xi, or x of minus 2 less than x of minus 1 less than x of 0 less than x1 less than x2, dot dot dot. With small fi is the probability mass function or PMF equal to probability of x equal to xi, I equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, dot dot dot. Then what is the relation between probability mass function and probability distribution function? If capital X is the distribution functions, then capital X equal to summation of I minus infinity, I equal to minus infinity to m small fi. Capital X equal to summation of I equal to minus infinity to m small of fi, where xm less than equal to x less than xm minus 1, where m belongs to integer. This is the relation of distribution function and PMF. Okay. Note, this spectrum of x consists 4 points x0, x1, x2, x3. This spectrum of x consists the point x0, x1, x2 and x3. If x less than x0, then distribution function is f of x equal to probability of minus infinity to minus infinity less than capital X less than equal to x. Since x less than x0, it contains 0 point a, it contains no point, so probability of this is contains impossible element, so probability of impossible is 0 since x less than x0. And in this case, if x less than x0 and the spectrum contains 4 points, so in this case distribution function is 0. Let x0 less than equal to x less than x1. Let x0 less than equal to x less than x1. In this case, distribution function is f of x equal to, by the definition of distribution function is f of x equal to capital Fx equal to probability of minus infinity to less than x less than equal to small x. Since 0 less than equal to x less than x1, so it contains 1 point. Since it contains 1 point, probability of x equal to x0. Since probability of x equal to xi equal to f of I, so probability of x equal to x0 equal to f0. Okay. Next, if x1 less than equal to x less than x2, if x1 less than equal to x less than x2, then in this case probability distribution function is, by the definition, f of x equal to probability of minus infinity less than x less than equal to x. Since x1 less than equal to x, so it contains 2 points. Also f of x0 less than x1 less than x2 x3. Okay, so since x less than equal to x, also x1 less than equal to x is contains 2 points, so x0 and x1. So probability of x equal to x0 plus probability of x equal to x1. This means f of 0, small f of 0, where small of f I equal to probability mass function plus f of 1. So capital Fx equal to f of 0 plus f of 1. Next, if x2 less than equal to x less than x3, in this case distribution function is probability of x less than equal to x. Since x2 less than equal to x is contains 3 point, x2 less than equal to x is contains 3 point, x0 x1 x2. This means f of 0 plus this means f of 1 plus this means f of 2. Let x greater than equal to x3. Next case is x greater than equal to x3. So in this case distribution function is probability of minus infinity less than x less than equal to small x. Since x greater than equal to x3, it contains 4 point. X probability of x equal to x0, probability of x equal to x1, probability of x equal to x2, probability of x equal to x3. This means f of 0, this means f of 1, this means f of 2, this means f of 3. Since summation of fi equal to 1, here I running from 0 to, sorry, I running from 0 to 3. So this is 1. We know that f of I equal to 1, where I running here in this case, in this problem here I running from 0 to 3. So this sum is 1. Hence distribution functions of this problem is f of x 0 when x less than 0, f of 0 when 0 x0 less than equal to x less than x1, f0 plus f1, f0 plus f1 when x1 less than equal to x less than x2, f0 plus f1 plus f2 when x2 less than equal to x less than x3. This and last, this is 1 when x greater than equal to x3. Okay, this is 1 when x greater than equal to x3 in this case. So this is the distribution functions. Okay.